Uh, this is Amor again with you, and today I'm going to show you how to program this Summon Engineering CNT 400, which is a counter timer. Okay, this is 48 by 48 in size and then 83 in depth. Okay, this is a powered by AC volts, which is 100 to 240 AC. And today I'm going to use this Rotary Encoder, which is 500 ppr, most commonly used for a conveyor for product lines, no, which is sometimes it's metal sheet, most common, or a pipeline. Okay, for today, to get the correct measurement, I'm going to show you how to program this counter. Okay, now I have to press this set button here for 3 seconds. Okay, in our application there is some different procedure for counting, no, you can count up only, down only, or but in our application I'm going to use UDA, which means there is a forward and reverse counting. Okay, I'm going to press set, then CPS, meaning to say count per second, the speed. So since this is 500 ppr per revolution, I'm going to use 1000 pulses per second speed. Okay, this is okay already. I can make also 5k or 10k or 130. I'm going to use 1000. Okay, then press select again. In the out, meaning to say this is the action which this relay will able to do, no. Most commonly used is N, this N, meaning to say once the counting is finished, okay, it will reset and then it will just stop. You need to press this reset button to start counting again. But for my application, I'm going to use C, meaning to say when the counting is finished, it will automatically reset and then start again. Okay, then press set. Out time, so I think this 100 is represent as 100 milliseconds, which is enough time to give signal to my cutting machine, which I'm going to show you after. Okay, signal NPN, since my rotary encoder is push pull output, is NPN or PNP will able to do. Reset time, okay, 20 milliseconds. This is fine. In my counting, I'm not going to use display. No need this one, sir. This is decimal point. No need. I'm not going to use this. Okay, set. Okay, this is the very important parameter, which is the scaling. Okay, for example, the circumference of my cylinder, let's say it's 38 centimeter for a complete revolution. Then I have to divide this 38 with the resolution of my encoder, which is 500 ppr. So I'm going to divide it by 500, and then I get this value. So I'm going to set that one here on my counter. So 0.76. Okay, to do that, okay, I'm going to move this one here. Okay, this is 0. Okay, this is 0. Okay, I'm going to make it 7. This is 6 should be. Okay, this is 6, and next will be 7. Okay, and then next should be 0. Okay, this is my scaling. Now I'm going to set it. Okay, data after coming clear. This parameter is, if you want to make it lock, there is a lock off, no, so we can be able to operate all the parameters. If you're going to make it lock for all, then you cannot be able to touch anything aside if you're going to come here to switch it off. Okay, and then press set. Count, this one is counter, so let it be counter. So you can make also time, no, but later on we are going to show you how to make it for as a timer. Okay, then press set. Now we are finished. Then we have to go out from parameter. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are in the running mode. Okay, this is 500. Okay, 500. So I'm going to rotate this one. In a complete revolution, I have to get it 38. Okay. Okay, great. So meaning to say, my scaling is correct. I get it 38. Okay, my set value is 500. Now our set value is 500 centimeter, which means 5 meter, no? If you're going to rotate this one, okay, let's say this is your cylinder of the product conveyor. When it reach 500, and then see the output it will gives you when it reach 500. Yeah, that's it. Output is give. Then it will reset again to start. Now I'm going to show you one video of our product to simply show you how it works. Okay. That's the cutting machine. Okay, that is a counter, and if you see, there is a cylinder. Okay, there use 1000 pulses encoder, and they are going to go for scaling. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, thank you for watching.